Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes. I'm in front of the MULTUS B300 with our well-known rigidity and precision in our new design. This machine has our new OSP P500 controller with our proven intelligent technologies, easy operation and new energy-saving features which will boost your production to the next level. If you want to see the machine live, please visit us on the EMO show in Hannover, or if you need further information, contact us under info@okuma.eu.